Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Anup Dey, Professor of Geology, Karimganj College, Assam. I have created this channel in order to provide free coaching in biology to the higher secondary first year students. Hello student, you are very new in this particular field and many of you will study biology as one of the combination. If I ask you why you want to study biology, many of you will say, I want to become a doctor. But do you think that you are studying biology only to become a doctor? No friends, you are studying biology not only to become a doctor but also to know about own self and other living things around you in order to live a peaceful life by interacting with each other. Now, dear friends, I would like to introduce you with biology. My first question is, what is biology? Biology is the science of life and is concerned with living things. It is the study of life in human being, animal, in plants, and also in microorganisms. So it encompasses all the living things from minute one to a giant one. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios and logos. What is the meaning of bios? Bios means life and logos means discourse or study. So study of life in total is biology. The term biology was first proposed by French naturalist Jean-Baptiste Lamarck in 1801. So now let me give you a precise definition of biology. It is defined as the science of life or of organized beings, which include man's knowledge about his own life and the life of other living organisms around us, like plants, animals, and microorganisms. Now my question, what does biology aims to explain? Biology aims to explain the various activities of living organism and life phenomenon in terms of other branches of science like physics, chemistry, geology, and many other branches of science in order to explore the truth of the science of the biology. In this biological world, as you know, there exist millions of different organisms ranging from microscopic virus and bacteria to a large, well-developed giant mammals like elephant and many flowering plants. The biological science is not merely engaged in the study of like activities of different living organisms, but it also deals with various principles which govern the relationship between organisms and their surrounding environment. So how we are to interact with the environment, how the environment is behaving with us, all these things we will be able to grab if we will gather knowledge of biology. The primary aim of biology is to contribute more knowledge to our everyday life. Biology also helps to answer 1,000 of queries that occur in our mind every day. The science of biology today is not same as it was 50 years ago or a decade ago. In view of the above context, one should study biology for the solution of some queries arising in our mind. What are these queries and how does it help us? It helps us to understand ourselves both by answering so many personal queries like how a baby is born, why a baby resembles his parents, how a baby becomes a male or a female, how are twins born, how diseases are caused, how some plant flowers while some do not, and many more queries like why do we need food, how digestion takes place in ourselves and other organisms, why do we respire, how excretion takes place, how blood circulates in our body and what is its function, how our eyes function, how our ear, why do we hear, how hearing takes place, and why we need rest, and many other queries that occurs in our mind day-to-day life. Biology also inquires when, how, and where the life first came into being on this earth, that is origin of life, and how the multitude of plants and animals were created and have achieved the modern structural status by virtue of modification through ages, that is evolution. And many other things that will arise in our mind day-to-day life can be solved by taking the help of biology. That is why we need to study biology. So today my lecture ends here. At the end, I would like to request all of you to like my channel if you are interested, and if you are interested, comment me below, then I can provide you more videos on your topics of your syllabus. Thank you.